What's up, guys? Thank you for joining me. Welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be achieving this hairstyle, and as you guys see, I love it. It has so much body. I used to didn't enjoy wearing twist outs as much as I like wearing twist outs now. So within this video, I am cutting my hair the way I feel that is easy for you at home. Okay, so I like to learn different things that I can try that is really easy for you to do. Okay, so if you guys are feeling this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. Okay, let me know what you guys think about this video. Also, you guys need to check out more videos that I do have on this channel, okay, because I'm telling you, you will learn all things beauty. If you enjoy what you see in the skincare, let me tell you guys, you can also go to Madame Cosmetics and check out the website and find out the products that I have there. Now, however, I do want to say a few products are delayed right now because of the weather and a lot of things that's going on, so please forgive me if you guys put in orders like 3 days ago or a week ago, and you guys normally you will get it like 3 days later. But it's been crazy within the weather in Louisiana and New York City as well. So New York, yours will be coming soon, so yours is pretty much fine. But I have been on a lot of stress because my parents are in Louisiana and there's a lot of stuff going on. The snow is ridiculous, like it's snowing like crazy out there, and I have been kind of like going through the most. Okay, so I've had this style on my hair for about 3 days. I am sharing with you guys how I did this, and also I want you guys to know that I did blow dry my hair. I did you know, pull the hair, stretch my hair using the blow dry method, and also I did this look on clean refresh hair. Now, going into this video, I really want to tell you guys about something that I really like. So when you watch this video, it'll be another video up, and if you guys want to see what I've been using on my hair that I love so much, you guys keep watching the video and also watch other videos, and I really break down to you guys my favorite products. So what's up, all my beautiful queens, girl? About to assist myself with this hair, baby, because it's all over my head. Now I'm gonna trim these ends, girl, because I know they looking hideous. So before you come for me, I'm just letting you know I'm already finna do so. Now, using the castor mimosa hair honey hairdressing, and I'm also using castor oil here, guys, 100% cold pressed castor oil for my scalp as well, guys. And then working with those edges, girl, because you know my edge has been kind of sad lately, been going through the little chain. So I'm just going in and making sure I massage that in real well. So we'll go in to give my hair a nice massage. So now that we got that taken care of, I'm going to go in and part my hair in sections to get ready to start working out. So you see, I am thinking my way through what way I'm going to do this, because I know I want to do a twist out and I just want my hair to be in a protected style for a long time. So I did, if I did not say so already, I did blow my hair out. So yeah, so this is a freshly blowout, and I told you guys that I shampoo my hair, I co-wash my hair, because I believe in co-washing a lot, as much as I can, because I need to preserve as much moisture as I can. Girl, you already see these colors in my hair, God, it's colors in 10 way. So I'm just going ahead and massaging as I go, and also just trying to figure out what section, how I'm going to do these sections so I can begin to trim my hair. Must I say, guys, in this video, I'm trying to bring you guys all up in my business, because I know that's what y'all like to do. I'm trying to bring y'all in close as possible, because I know y'all like that 3D look, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all like that 3D look when y'all up in for business. So anyway, so I am trying to make sure this camera is strictly focused on his head, all right? So let me know what you guys think about the quality, okay? Because I did the best that I could, girl. I ain't a professional photographer thing. You know, I got professional stuff up in here, but it ain't like I'm all professional and stuff, you know. You know, some people was made to bless it, but not for everything, you know. So as you guys see, I'm parting that section as well right here, because I'm gonna also just start twisting that part since it's already been trimmed. So I also want to give a special shout out to the camera girl that's kind of helping me with these hands. You know, that third person that help you with your hands in the back, baby, because you already know you dealing with one mirror, child, and baby, you got to cut your hair and style your hair, and you just looking in one mirror. Girl, you's a blessing. I want to give a special shout out to, you know, me. Because I ain't got no cameraman, nothing. Doing it all by myself, you know. So give me a big thumbs up, guys, for that as well. Yeah. Alright guys, this is kind of how I started trimming my hair, and then I found the easier way, but I'm doing the back this way because I need to make sure it's even. So this is what you want to look for, and you kind of want to just chop those off. Now after I'm done trimming, I'm just going to twist that up out the way because I do not want to confuse anything, and I don't want to cut the hair more than once. So I'm just twisting that hair up and just moving it away, and then I'm just continuing on to trim the hair. So now as you guys see, I'm untwisting this side, so I'm coming forward. Some of these angles you guys probably won't see because I'm not really much thinking to push back to cut the hair so you guys can see. I want you guys to see. I'm trying, but I don't want to mess up anything, so I'm just really trying to stay focused and look in the mirror and make sure that I'm cutting the right way. I'm also going to kind of change it up and start twisting the hair and then trimming the ends at the same time. But I want to let you guys know the #1 product that I did use in this video. I did show you guys this bottle here, and this is the Care's Daughter bottle. But in here I have castor oil and rosemary oil, but majority of castor oil in here. And I've been using castor oil because I've been trying to work on my edges, get my edge game back up and The castor oil that I do use, that I really do like, is the 100% pure castor oil, and this is the cold press, and you can go get this on Amazon. Also, you need to be sure that when you go and purchase castor oil, you need to make sure you read and make sure it's for hair and body. Pretty much, if you can use it on your body, you can use it on your hair. If you can use it on your hair, you can use it on your body. Look, because some castor oils are for intake or whatnot, and it's been some crazy stuff going on with castor oil, you know. But if you just read and see cold pressed castor oil for hair and scalp or body moisturization, you're pretty much in the right track. So I picked this at Amazon, and I really do like it. Ooh, I'm like right here, not quite low just yet, but I'm like right here. A nice big bottle, and it comes with a pump. Now I did have to put the pump on because it came with just the top, and I could just put the pump. I had a choice to put this on, so I did put this on, and it's really nice. It gives a really nice thick product. As you guys see, it's a lot come out. So don't really use castor oil on my skin. I just put it in my hair and I massage it in. Now, however, how you do it, is it a certain way to apply castor oil to your hair? I don't know. I just know what works for me. I know why I use it. I'm using it for hair growth, and this works for me. Sometimes when I feel like my hair is just not getting enough moisture, like the way it has my hair feeling, guys. All right, I really enjoy the way castor oil have my hair looking when using. So that's what I would do. So, and it's no scent to this. It's 100% pure. So 9 times out of 10, I assume that if it's 100% pure, it's nothing added in it. It's prepared at its most natural form, you know. So I mean, like, I like to take it in my hair, kind of like squeeze it. It gives your hair that that beautiful glow and that shine. And you can just take the excess product and just put it in your hair. Like this. This is how I use Jamaican black castor oil. I feel like as long as it gets in there, I like to just do that. And if you like to, you can just get some green tea, your green tea spray or your water bottle, whatever you use in it, and kind of spritz the hair just a tad bit. I really do like the bounce effect, and the reason why my hair got so much bounce, guys, because I trim my ends, and I really trim. I mean, I was trimming on the camera, but I trim way more when I cut the camera off. Like, I just couldn't get in there real good, so I had to cut the camera off to get in there real good. So yeah, whenever I do big chops, you know, which normally you have to do a huge chop like that when you haven't been taking real good care of your hair. You know, if you guys know my past, I have wear braids. I used to wear braids a lot, and now I'm just taking control of my hair again so that, you know, I can preserve my hair, because I'm in my 30s, and when you're in your 30s, things have a tendency to change in your life, so you kind of want to help your hair the best way you can. So I hope you guys just enjoy the video, and please do come back and watch. And if you're not yet subscribed, do subscribe to the channel for more videos like this to come, because I would love to have you here and see more of you. All right, but do check out the previous videos that I have, and I will probably be linking those up here. So yeah, without further, I'll see you guys later. I love you, and my Father love you more. Please preserve yourself and stay blessed. Bye.